Well, I'm extremely sorry for the technical problems we've had this evening. These have been due to circumstances outside our control. Now, in another change to the build schedule, it's Davina McCall in her own words, which contains strong language and adult content. And there'll be more reminiscing tomorrow night in Davina's Best Bits. That's tomorrow at 9 here on 4. Next tonight, though, it's Sacha Baron Cohen's The LEG Show. Time to lighten the mood here on 4. With strong language and adult humor, The LEG Show is on now, and we've got a double Friends at 12:30. Now on 4, it's time for a Friends double.
Thing to rest. Come on now. Thing.